Hey, it's Jamin, and in today's TeamGantt tip, we're checking out baselines. No matter how well you plan, it's rare that a project goes exactly as planned. But if things on your project shift, you really need to know when and how. Having a record of exactly when a change occurs and what the impacts are is a necessity for every project. With TeamGantt, we use baselines to track these changes. Baselines allow you to take a snapshot of a project at a given point in time. It's an effective way to document changes to a project so you can see what you had planned versus what actually happened. To set a baseline, go to Menu, Baselines, Create New Baseline Set. You can toggle your baseline on and off, and now when you make changes to your project, you can easily see where they occurred. And the baseline is time-stamped, so you know the state of your project at the time it was taken. It's good to get in the habit of periodically setting baselines so you can keep track of how your project changes over time. On my projects, I tend to set them weekly, and that works for me, but you can set new baselines as often as you like. You can also toggle on multiple baselines. Sometimes this is helpful in getting a good idea of how things shifted throughout the project duration. It's also good practice to pair setting baselines with leaving a comment when something in your project shifts. As your project progresses, the combination of multiple baseline sets and comments can come in handy when reporting to stakeholders on project changes. Baselines are available on all standard and advanced plans. To learn more about how TeamGantt can help keep you on track with baselines, go to teamgantt.com/support.